Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. Work is continuing on the Gottlieb Haunted House. And if you've been following this series, what I've got going on now is I'm swapping out some stuff. We just tried the Swemmer board. This guy right here, the sound card, and it acted really weird, and then it kind of made the machine kind of freeze up. It booted and would go into attract mode, but it wouldn't. We played one game and then it stopped playing, so I don't know what's up with that. So I put the original soundboard back in the game, and with the original MPU board, and it did the same thing. It started up, and it wouldn't coin up, and it wouldn't start a game, even though it would stay in attract mode. So something weird was going on. So pulled the original MPU board out. This is it right here. And you can see it's in really quite nice condition. There's no noticeable battery damage anywhere on it. I don't know what exactly, it was playing fine for me until I put in the Swemmer audio board. But I've learned that you can't assume, oh, it was the audio board. Because a lot of times these things are like old cars. You know, you fix one thing and then three more things pop up that are unrelated. So let's turn the game on and check out the new MPU board and see how it behaves, shall we? We're going to try to figure out what's going on here. So, here we go. Alright, big click when you turn the game on. You heard that? Some kind of big pop. But it does appear to be booted in attract mode. There's credits on the game. And as you can see, that Swemmer board's covered with LEDs and they're all blinking and doing different things. They're really nice, pretty looking boards. So, okay, let's see if we can start a game, and let's see how. Now this is going to be the original soundboard here. So let's see what happens with this, shall we? So there you go. That's the original soundboard, which sounds just as good as the repro Swemmer once it's been refurbished. Let's see if it's going to go off and act weird too. All sounds pretty good. No problems with the sound. The game's playing fine. Yeah, everything seems to be working fine. Nice sound. So we know the original sound card's working fine. That lower playfield sure is kind of funky to see if I can. Oh, not paying attention. Alright, so there you have it. Shall we now throw the Swemmer soundboard into and see what happens? Maybe we had some kind of weird glitch with the MPU or something. Although I don't like that big chunk when the game gets turned on. I have to assume that's normal. So okay, alright, let's turn the game off. And let's put the Swemmer soundboard back in, and pull this one out. So that's the original board, and let's take this off. And I looked, and I didn't find any ground mods for the soundboard. There may be some, but in Clay's guide, I don't think he said anything about the soundboard needing a ground mod, but I'll continue to read up on that. Okay, let's put this new soundboard in here. And it's just one connector. That. And everything looks good. So now we have 2 Swemmer boards in the machine. Let's turn it on and let's see what we get. Alright. It does say something about multi-ball. But let's see. Let's start a game and let's see if the sound card is working fine. Maybe it was a weird combination of that Swemmer sound card and the original one, or something else. Let's see. Okay, started it like it usually does. Let's play a quick game. Let me set this camera right and see what we get. Now before, it would play a little bit and stop. Oh, that was the voice synthesis. Did the sound go out again? Look at that. All right. All right. Sound went out again. So there must be something wrong with this sound card, is what I would surmise. Maybe it's a special prototype version, and Fred didn't mean to send me that one. Maybe that's kind of what the problem is, because it did say multi-ball, but yeah. So maybe there's an odd, let's see. So the MPU seems to be working fine. The game's playing normally like it would, track modes and everything. Start another game. See, once that soundboard goes out, it's out. So I'm going to just shut this off. And, so what do we do now? What's our next test? I've got an email in to Fred Swemmer to see if he can explain what might be happening with this. But I'm going to assume that sound card is anomalous. Maybe it's a special version or a prototype or something like that, and it might not work in this configuration. I don't know. I just don't know. So I think what's next will be we're going to put the original sound card back in, and do I put the original board in just to see if it's going to work, or do I throw the Pascal Janin board in? Now, the Pascal Janin board will replace the driver board and a bunch of stuff. So that'll be a major upgrade. And I'll do that either in the next video, probably. So stay tuned for that, and if I find out more, I will fill you in. Until next time, thanks for watching.